helicopters. We are going for a helicopter tour of Udaipur. This is going to be exciting. Come on. Spectacular. You've got like lush greens on this side, you have the city on that side. You can also see some of the monuments. Totally worth it. That's the lake, and this is part of the city, I think. Wow, look at the view. That's where we took off from, and it is pretty insane. And now we're back to where we started from. That was absolutely amazing. It was so thrilling, and especially when it moves from side to side, it is one of the funnest things I have done. If you are in Udaipur, you have got to try this. It is amazing. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.